Good morning, children. Let us start with a puzzle. I am white. I have a white skin around me and I have a different parts inside me. I am a root vegetable. So children, who am I? Guess which vegetable is this? Yes, it is a garlic which we use in our kitchen room. Good morning, children. Let us solve some more sums on subtraction by taking borrows. Okay, children. In addition, we have taken carry over. In subtraction, we take borrow. Borrow means taking the help from someone. So if I don't have chocolates, I can ask my friend to lend me chocolate. That is called borrowing, helping. So here we can see, children, there is an example. How can we take away 6 from ones? We all know, children, a bigger number cannot be subtracted from a smaller number. So I have 1 chocolate and I have to give 6 chocolates to my friend. How can it is possible? It is not possible. So we will try some more method. What we will do is, we will take with the help of my friend who is sitting in the tens place. I'll just take 1 chocolate which comes to the ones place and becomes 11. That is 10 plus 1 becomes 11. Now I can subtract 6 from 11, isn't it? Now 11 minus 6. 11 in the mind, 6 in the fingers. 11 be 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So 5 is remaining. Here already I have given 1 chocolate to my friend. What is remaining with me, children? 2. 2 minus 0 is again 2 itself. Now children, let us solve some more sums on this concept. First one is, now whenever you subtract, children, one thing you have to keep it in the mind, that is, first number should be the bigger number. What we have to keep it in the mind? No, that number should be bigger number. But in addition, there is no problem. If it is big also, if it is small also, we can do it. But in subtraction, first number should be the bigger number than the second number. Here you can see 6 is not big than 7. 6 is smaller than 7. So what we have to do? Oh my God, you can't subtract. How can you test? I'll show you. 6 in the mind, 7 in the fingers. 6 be 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. See, again 1 finger is remaining. So we can't subtract, children. So what we have to take is, we have to take borrow from my friend who is sitting on tens place. So if I take 1 chocolate from him, what is remaining in this 2? 1 is remaining and it comes to the tens place. Already 6 is there and it becomes 1 tenth. That is 10 plus 6 becomes 16. Now children, 16 is bigger than 7. Now you can easily subtract. 16 in the mind, 7 in the fingers. 16 be 4, 16 be 4. Repeat with me. I told you, in addition we get after. In subtraction we get before. 16 be 4, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So what is remaining with me, children? 9 chocolates. Now already I have given 1 chocolate from 2 chocolates. So what is remaining? 1. Here there is no number. So 0. 1 minus 0 becomes 1 itself. Now how many chocolates are remaining? 19 chocolates. Next sum. 32 minus 8. 32 minus 8. So now whenever you subtract, first number should be greater than the second number. Check first number is greater. No. 2 is smaller than 8. Then what you have to do? You have to take borrow from tens place. So if I take borrow from tens place, 2 becomes 12. 10 plus 2 becomes 12. This 3 becomes 2 because I have given 1 chocolate to the ones place. Now see children, 12 is bigger than 8. 12 in the mind, 8 in the fingers. 12 be 4. Repeat with me. 12 be 4. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So, what is remaining, children? 4. Next one, 2 minus 0 is again 2 itself. We have a property. When 0 is subtracted from any number, we get the same number itself. 2 minus 0 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. 3 minus 0 is 3 again. So, if I subtract 32 minus 8, what is remaining with me? 24 chocolate. So, you can take some life examples when you go to the market. Okay. If I take 5 pencils and I have given 2 pencils to my brother, then how much pencils are remaining with me? 3 pencils. Or you can take some more sweets example. So I bought 50 sweets for my birthday. Okay. And I have distributed to my friends. So 20 sweets were distributed among my friends. What is remaining? How much is remaining is 30 sweets. So in the same way we have to subtract, children. 25 minus 7. Whenever you start, children, you have to start with ones place. So here first check. First number should be the bigger number. Whenever you subtract, children, first number should be the bigger number. Here 5 is not bigger than 7. 5 is smaller than 7. Then take borrow. So here 5 becomes 15. 2 becomes 1 because I have given 1 chocolate to the ones place. Now 15 in the mind, 7 in the fingers. Repeat with me. 15 in the mind, 7 with the fingers. 15 be 4. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. How much is remaining with me? 8. Next, 1 minus 0 is again 1 itself. So, if you subtract 7 from 25, you get 18. Next one, children. Next one is 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6. So here we have first check first number is a greater number. No, first number is a smaller. Then we have to take borrow. So 5 becomes 15. 1 becomes, if I give 1 chocolates to him, what is remaining? 0 is remaining. Now 15 in the mind, 6 in the fingers. 15 be 4, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So what is remaining with me? 9. Now 0 minus 0 is again 0. We don't have any chocolate. 0 means nothing. 0. So we don't have any chocolate. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Now children, whenever you subtract, check the first number. Is it greater? 2 is greater than 5, children? No. So now what you have to do? You have to take borrow. You have to take borrow. 2 becomes 12. 2 becomes 12. That is 10 plus 2. When 1 tens is when goes to the ones place, it becomes 1 10 ones. So that is 10 plus 2 becomes 12. If I take 1 chocolate, if I remove 1 chocolate from 4 chocolates, I get 3 chocolates. So now 12 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. Repeat with me. 12 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. 12 be 4, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Next, 3 in the mind, 0 in the fingers. 3 be 4, 3 itself. 3 minus 0 is 3. If I subtract 5 from 42, what is remaining with me, children? 37. Next one you can see. First, whenever you subtract, check first number is greater. No. Then take borrow. 3 becomes 13. 2 becomes 1. 13 in the mind, 8 in the fingers. 13 be 4, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So as I am holding phone in my another hand, I can't count the 8 fingers, children. Whenever you count, you have 10 fingers, so you can count it easily. Okay, children. Now 1 minus 0 is 1. When I subtract 8 from 23, what is remaining with me? 15 pencils. Solve subtraction of 2-digit numbers. Okay, 2 digit by 2 digit. Okay, first, whenever you start, children, start with ones place. Start from ones place. And check what are the methods you have to follow. First, start with ones place and check whether first number is greater. If first number is greater, you can directly subtract. If first number is not greater, then you have to take borrow. So here, if I take borrow, what it becomes? 1 tens will become 10 ones. 1 tens will become 10 ones. And subtract the ones. Then subtract the tens place. Okay, children. Now, we directly do the sums. Here, whenever you start, children, start with ones place. Then, check whether first number is greater than the second number. No. Then take borrow from tens place. Or you can check by your fingers also. If you don't remember the method, you can use your fingers and you can check. Now, 4 in the mind, 7 in the fingers. 4 be 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Still 3 fingers are remaining, children. There is no numbers to calculate. So, the method is wrong. So, you have to take the borrow. Then 4 becomes 14. 6 becomes 5 because here 1 tens we have given to 10 ones. Now 14 in the mind, 7 in the fingers. 14 be 4, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 7 is remaining. Now 5 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. 5 be 4, 5 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. 5 be 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, if I subtract 47 from 64, what is remaining, children? 17. So, many children make mistake in subtraction. But, if you understand and if you practice, it is very easy, children. Please sit with your parents and practice regularly maths. If you practice maths for at least half an hour daily, you will learn more because this is a practical subject. You have to write and practice. Simply reading you can't, it will not help you. So you have to sit with your parents and understand, learn and practice. Okay, children? Now, because these operations are very, very important. As you grow, addition and subtraction will follow you. Okay. Now, always start with ones place. 2 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. Repeat with me, all of you. 2 be 4, 1, 0. There are no numbers for these fingers. Then what I have to do is, I have to take borrow from tens place. So 5 becomes 4 tens. 2 becomes 12 ones. 10 plus 2, 12. Now, 12 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. 12 be 4, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. How much are remaining? 7. Now, 4 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. 4 be 4, 3, 2. What is remaining? 2. Then if I subtract 25 from 52, I get 27. Now children, always start from ones place and check first number. Okay, first number is greater. No, 0 is less than 8. So we have, so here what we have to do, first 0 in the mind, 8 in the fingers. 0 be 4. There is no number before 0. 0 only starting number, isn't it? So, I don't have numbers to count the fingers. So what I have to do? I have to take the borrow from tens place. So 5 tens becomes 4 tens. 0 becomes 10 ones. 10 ones. Now 10 in the mind, 8 in the finger. 10 before 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. What is remaining? 2 is remaining. Now 4 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. 4 before 3, 2. So 22 is remaining left. Now children, now 2 in the mind, 9 in the fingers. 2 before 1, 0. There is no numbers to calculate the fingers. No numbers means what we have to do? We have to take borrow. So 2 becomes 12 ones. 3 becomes 2 tens. Now 12 in the mind, 9 in the fingers. 12 before 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So 12 minus 9 is 3. 2 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 2 before 1. So 13. Now children, next one. Whenever you start from ones place. Now 3 in the mind, 6 in the fingers. 3 before 2, 1, 0. No numbers children. Then what you have to do? You have to take borrow. So now 3 becomes 13 ones. 6 becomes 5 tens. Now 13 in the mind, 6 in the fingers. 13 before 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Isn't it? Yes. 5 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. 5 before 4, 3. So now if I subtract 26 from 63, it becomes 37 is remaining left. Now whenever we start from ones place. Then 5 in the mind. Repeat with me. 5 in the mind. 8 in the fingers. 5 before 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Still 3 fingers are remaining. No numbers to calculate. So what you have to do? You have to take borrow. So 5 becomes 15 ones. 8 becomes 7 tens. Now children, 15 in the mind, 8 in the fingers. 15 before 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So how much is remaining? 7. Now 7 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 7 before 6, 5, 4, 3. What is remaining? 37 is remaining. Next, come to the next sum. 6 is smaller than 7. Then take borrow. 6 becomes 16. 5 becomes 4. 16 in the mind. 7 in the fingers. 16 before 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Now 4 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. 4 before 3, 2. So how much is remaining? 29 is remaining. Next children, 7 in the mind, 9 in the fingers. 7 before 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Still 2 fingers are remaining, isn't it? So what you have to do? There is no number to calculate the fingers. So you have to take borrow. 7 becomes 17. This 7 becomes 6 because we have given 1 tens to 10 ones. So now 17 in the mind, 9 in the fingers. 17 before 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Now 6 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. 6 before 5, 4, 3. So 38 is remaining when you subtract 39 from 77. Remaining 4 sums, you take it as assignment and solve it in your textbook, children. As you practice, that much you learn. So as many sums you do by yourself, you learn more. Okay, children? Thank you. I hope all of you understood the subtraction concept. Keep practicing, keep learning, keep going. Thank you, children.